In the last video, we showed you how to install the bottom panel and the bottom brackets. Now we will show you how to install the remaining panels. We start with the bottom panel, which is placed on the trestle. Place some polystyrene from the packaging on the bottom panel to prevent damage. Place the second panel on top of the bottom panel, making sure that the pre-assembled track rollers are in the track nearest to the back of the rail. Install the hinges between the bottom panel and the second panel, starting from one side of the panels and working your way up to the other side of the panels. Put some polystyrene from the packaging on the panel again and place the third panel on top of the second panel. Connect panels 2 and 3 using the hinges. Repeat the steps until the last panel is fixed. In this case, the sixth panel is the last one and therefore the top panel. Now you can erect the top 2 panels and attach the track rollers to the top steering arms. By using the motor, you are now able to lift all door panels up in the tracks. Please pay extra attention to the part between the rail and the folding plate when the door leaf is not yet properly level. Now hang the door panels in the rail by means of clamps and lower the door with the motor. The underlying 2 panels will now unfold. As soon as they are in a vertical position, the track rollers of the corresponding steering arms can be placed. Repeat this process until all door panels are in a vertical position in the rail. When all panels are in the correct position, you can ensure that the panels are level. If needed, adjustments can be made on the cable drum. In the next video, you will learn how to attach the stabilizing bars to the wall.